Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something that's been trending lately, Comet Browser. If you've heard about this new AI-powered browser from Perplexity and want to install it on your Windows 2025 system, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the entire installation process step by step, and then we'll take a quick tour of its main features so you can start using it like a pro. Let's get into it. Before we start, make sure your computer meets the basic requirements. You'll need Windows 10 or 11, 64-bit version, at least 8 GB of RAM, though 16 GB is recommended for best performance, around 500 MB of free storage, and a stable internet connection. Once your system is ready, we can move on to downloading Comet. Open your current browser, Chrome, Edge, or any other one you use, and go to perplexity.ai/comet. There, you'll find the official page for the browser. Click the Download for Windows button to start downloading the installer file. It's only about 14 megabytes, so it shouldn't take long. Save it somewhere convenient, like your desktop or Downloads folder. Once it's downloaded, find the file. It should end with .exe and double-click to open it. You'll see an installation window pop up. Accept the terms and conditions, choose your installation location if you want, though the default directory works just fine, and then click Install. The setup will only take a minute or two. After it's finished, you'll see an option to launch Comet Browser right away. You can also find it later by searching for Comet in your Start menu or clicking the desktop shortcut. Once it's open, you're ready to begin exploring. When you first open Comet, it'll ask you to sign in or create an account. You can use your email or your Google account to log in. If you already have a Perplexity account, you can use that too. It'll give you access to Comet's integrated AI features. Now, let's quickly go through the interface. At the top, you've got your address bar. You can type regular URLs or even AI-style questions like, what's the best laptop under $1,000? On the left, there's a sidebar where you can access the Comet Assistant. That's where all the AI magic happens. You can open multiple tabs, browse the web, or run AI tasks. It feels very familiar, just like Chrome or Edge, but with a smarter twist. One of the coolest features is how you can interact with pages directly. You can ask the AI to summarize an article, explain a concept, or even perform agentic tasks. For example, book a flight from LA to Chicago. It's like having a built-in assistant that understands context and helps you get things done faster. You can also customize Comet easily. Just go to the menu and open Settings. From there, you can enable privacy features, import bookmarks from Chrome, or even set Comet as your default browser. You can tweak performance, appearance, and sync options depending on your preferences. Once you've set it up, you're ready to browse freely. Whether you're streaming videos, researching topics, or testing out AI tools, Comet Browser is designed to be fast, secure, and intelligent. So, that's your full walkthrough on how to install and get started with Comet Browser on Windows 2025. It's lightweight, packed with AI capabilities, and quickly becoming one of the most exciting new browsers in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our tech guides and reviews. Let me know in the comments what you think of Comet. Do you plan to switch from Chrome or Edge, or are you sticking to your current browser? Thanks for watching, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.